If you're looking for a nice movie, this one is the best. The Fall Guy. Starred by Ryan Gosling. Ang ganda po talaga ng movie na to. Even for me that has lost faith for the film industry, I felt like this movie is a game changer. And not only that, it has a lot of elements. Like first, it's action-filled movie. Talagang action, bakbakan for the whole time. And pangalawa, it has a little twist of comedy. Talagang nakakatuwa siya. It has a little sprinkle of love. May a little bit of love story and not too much. Which, what I like the most kasi walang mga ganyan mga scenes na ayaw ko makita. And finally, napakaganda po ng meaning and purpose ng movie na to because this is to honor the stuntman. Yung mga stuntman na talagang sila yung nababagsakan ng mga kung ano-ano, nagpapasagasa sa tren sa tren or sa mga cars. Talagang napakaganda ng movie. Superb. I love it.